Hello, friends. Today we take a brief look at Tamnanthai, a restaurant located in very close proximity to Nana Plaza that specializes in authentic Thai cuisine. Now, using Nana Plaza as a reference, we're going to head south toward Sukhumvit Soy 6, and we're going to pay close attention to this hotel. If you pass the hotel, you have gone too far. So we're here at Novotel Ibis Styles Hotel. Directly across from the hotel is the direction you want to proceed. Across the street California Ink Tattoo. And if you head behind California Ink Tattoo, that's where you'll find this little spot here. While I was here, I was able to have a brief interview with the owner, but unfortunately, I've lost that footage. Somehow my file got corrupted. But basically what he was telling me was that they have been in business for 31 years, and they have been at this location in the Nana area for about 3 years. They have a very extensive menu, but here's just a sample. He also mentioned that his mom does most of the cooking. My dish of choice was pad krapao mu krab, which is essentially crispy pork and basil leaves with some Thai seasonings, a fried egg and rice, and I asked for mine, my pet, which is not spicy. For dessert, I had some coconut sorbet. My dinner, dessert, and a bottle of water cost 401 baht, which at today's currency exchange rates comes out to $10.92. If you're in Bangkok, in the Sukhumvit 4 Nana Plaza area, take a minute and give Tamnanthai a look.